Hey guys, this is Bushra from Bushras Lifestyle, and in today's video I wanted to show you how to make napkin rings using Dollar Tree's flowers. Um, these for 6 people, no, 8 people. I have bought these. There were 5, so I got 2 of those, and then $1 for these. So I already have created them, but I'm just going to show you. Let's say, which one should I take right now? It's very easy, no glue needed, nothing else. These are the total supplies, this and that, as many as you want to. If you needed to create for 4 people, you only needed one. And these gonna last you long. I'm actually going to buy more. My kids do craft and they will be helpful. So here we go. We took this off, this one flower. Hope you guys can see it, because I'm trying to look at the camera and I'm trying to manage all these. I'm learning how to edit and everything like that. So then you're gonna take one of the pipe cleaner. My daughter is making my video. She's a cute little girl, helping me with all that. And here we're gonna fold it in half, and I said no glue needed, and honestly no glue needed. So just, can you guys see it? And here, just do it very tight, so when you make that, then when you put it on your napkin, it should not go somewhere. So I'm just gonna make it tightly, and so it's okay if they can't. I'll show them. It's a struggle, the video right now for us, finding the right balance where you guys can see it. So here, they are ready. They're not going anywhere else. So all you guys have to do, when I keep this video short, so the napkin, take the napkin, and I did make it a little fan, so just fold it however you want to, and then just put your napkin ring right around somewhere here. Easy. Yeah, it's actually very easy. No glue, nothing else needed, because sometimes glue bothers me. But you can use a glue if you want to. Really, you don't need it. So I'm gonna here, it's ready, and now I'm going to show you that I already have the setting ready. Dara, can you pause it so I can? So okay, after pause, we're back. I know you guys heard me. So here I already have the table setting ready. How I showed you guys, it's super easy. I'm not being, I'm not exaggerating. This really is easy. Yeah, it is really an easy craft. Your kids could do it, you can do it. And I set up the table. It's gonna be for Thanksgiving. And then I did show you in another video how to make these name or place cards using Dollar Tree frames and sticker. By the way, Dollar Tree has different kinds of like picture frames, really cool, with you know, pumpkin, etc.
How do you get to
So it's, I hope you like it, and thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. And as I'm totally brand new in the YouTube video, and I find time where like it's very hard for me to manage and make videos. But my mission is to provide you thoughtful resources with affordable, you know, for affordable homemaking. And here you go, for $3 for 10 people you can make it. It's beautiful. See, it's super easy. She created one right now, and it looks nice and personalized. And then here's your name tag, which looks really nice for Z. Here is Z's making video. And then I did show you in another video how I made this hi buddy, how I made this centerpiece for our fall table setting. I hope you like it. Hi.
I want to be in the video on Napkin.
Hey guys, this little boy wanted to be in the video and make something. I don't know what he could make it. Maybe he could make a boo for you. Like, oh, show your toy. He just got that. So thank you so much guys for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. And I real appreciate your help. Have a good day.